Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to have a new project and we're going to do spring cleaning. I have a new things which it calls Fleximounts. I ordered it from Amazon, and if you want to see it you can go in my description and you can order it. And I'm very pleased. The packaging, it came very neatly. Instruction, it's very easy, and I think I will be able to do it very easy way. I ordered two things from Amazon. One of them, it carries 600-pound capacity. One of them has 300-pound capacity. And that one, it moves up and down with the crank. And that's what the one that we're gonna hang it now. I was able to install this by myself without any help. The first thing you are going to do is to find the stud in the ceiling. Once you find the stud, use the provided cardboard template and tape it on your ceiling according to where your studs are. Use a lot of tape. Fleximounts, it's very generous with how much tape they provide. Use all of it, and I promise it won't run out. Once you outline the ceiling with pencil, you will follow the instruction and bolt the mount into their appropriate location. As you can see, I put 4 mounts into the ceiling. I then installed the bar, which was easy for me to do it alone. Very simple, just follow the instruction. Here how it looks like zoomed out. Then I put the rack together and connected the cable. In my case, I installed it over my garage, freezer, and gun safe. It would have been easier to install where there are not objects below. But in my case, this is how I prefer to position my mount. And that's it. That's the last step. In my case, I like putting things I use often onto this rack because it is adjustable. I have several lightweight items I use often, but just don't have the space for in my garage. Adjustable flex mount makes it easy for me to access this item when I needed them. And when I don't need them, I can store them up here. My garage is 9 feet high. Even if it was 8 feet high, it still would have just been fine. This is very stable. There is 2 ropes on each side for more safety and durability and for smoothness. This comes with a hand crank, and you can just hold it and twist it, and it goes up and down very easy. In my case, I'm too short, so I can use it with the drill, and it does very good. It goes up and down. Now that everything is out of the way, now we have to raise it to the ceiling. This is my regular drill. You connect it and you'll go and to raise it up. Beautiful. That's it. I think this is good. I love it. It cleaned my garage. Now I can put my 2 cars in a garage and I'm pretty safe. The great thing is about this, I don't need any more leather because it's very easy to bring it down and pull it up. I don't have to get up on a ladder. I can bring this down to the ground if I really wanted to. But in my case, I have a freezer here. This is my choice that I put it up like this. But if I wanted, I could have put another place. So in my case, I don't have to bring it too much down because there isn't so many things heavy. I don't have heavy things. So this is my choice that I put it here. If I had a lot of heavy things, I would have installed someplace else to come to the ground to make it easier to pick it up. Because my stuff, it's very light, whatever it is, so I don't have to bring it very down. Keep in mind that this will carry about 300 pounds. I'm glad that I don't need a ladder. I don't have to worry about falling down. Fleximount is a US company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizing solutions for garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage rack being a bestseller trusted by many for their quality and innovation. This called Fleximount GL1. You can find on Amazon. This called Fleximount GR48 Black. For this one, I need a ladder to get up and down. because it doesn't go up and down. So again, it's very easy to do it. Now over here, I don't need to use a ladder because I use it with the drill. It can bring it up and down. Now I'm going to bring it down. I want to show you that how easy it is. You just put the drill and you bring it down. Simple and easy. Once I'm done, I change my drill position and I put it back and I'll go back up again. Very simple and easy. Someone like me, 5'1", this is the best way to have it. It's very easy to put it. Today I'm doing spring cleaning. I'm trying to put everything away so we can have plenty space in my garage. This carries about 300 pounds over here. I still can put so many things. Let's put this thing here. I put about 80 pounds over here. I still have to go 220 pounds more. Once you put everything away, you have to engage the safety lock. Let me show you how to do it. When you're done, you take out from the hook and then you put the safety on and then you have to hang it. So when you need the product again, you will take the hook and you unlock the lock, you pull the lock out, and then you hang back in its place, and then you, with the drill, you can bring it down again and it will be done. Now I have a clean garage. I'm going to enjoy my garage. I thank you very, very much for watching. I'm going to enjoy this product very much. And now I can park my cars and I have plenty space. And I don't have to worry about any more bumping left and right to the stuff that I have. Everything is nice and clean and perfect. Well, thank you for watching again. I thank you very much. Please, if you enjoyed my videos, like and subscribe. If you like either stationary or adjustable Fleximount, you can buy them by clicking the link in the description below. And thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.